This video we are going to be creating this headband. This is a headband wig. I use the straight hair to achieve this wig that you're seeing here. You can see it. You can see. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nonnie, aka Simply Nonnie, and that's my channel name. So in this channel we talk about beauty, lifestyle, natural hair, DIYs like this one you're seeing now, DIYs, and tips and a lot of other good stuff or any other thing that interests me. So if you like the sound of that, click the subscription button, the red button down below, and click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. You understand? So you can join and be enjoying all these goody you can enjoy all this goody that I'll be sharing on this platform, and join me so we can become family. And if you're a returning subscriber, wow, you guys motivate me to make more videos, create more DIYs, create more inspirational stuff. You guys are the real MVP. I love you guys so much. So thank you for sticking with me. I appreciate every of your support. We'll be creating this hair. We'll be creating this hair that you're seeing here today in today's video. You will see how I achieved this hair using kanekalon hair and some other things that I found in the house. So if you like the sound of that, let's just keep watching. So we start by cutting our attachments into 3 equal parts. I'm using one pack of XPRESSION braiding hair. You cut it into 3 equal parts, then you do the evening out. The normal thing now, you need to even the mouth out so that it will come out nicely. Then you, after evening it out, to comb it out with our spray and apply our oil like petroleum jelly or shea butter. Just brush it out, make sure everything is very smooth. This is how it will come out after you finished it. Then we'll place our wig cap on our mannequin, and so what I did was to use tape to measure my head from my ear to my other ear, from my right hand ear to the other my left hand ear, and that's where I place. I'm using this old pantyhose that I have in the house, so I just place the pantyhose. I already checked if it was going to size my hair before I started. Then after I measured from ear to ear, I now sewed from that ear to the other ear of the pantyhose to the wig cap. Remember to turn your wig cap, the back of your wig cap, before you do this part, because so when you turn the front, it will look neat in the front. So what I'm doing now is just basically sewing the pantyhose to the wig cap. If you have an old headband you can use for this. The one I have is not black, so I decided to use pantyhose for it. So you can see as I was sewing it on the mannequin, it was difficult for me, so I had to remove it from the mannequin so it would be easier and faster for me to like sew very well, to get a neat sewing. But if you have a sewing machine, just place it on the cap and run the machine thread through it, and it will be super fine and even super neat. So after that, what we'll do, I got this Velcro from the market. I think I got it for like a year 200 naira or so. But if you have old face cap or those things that has Velcro that you're not using, you can bring the Velcro out and sew it to your headband wig. So what I'm doing now is I'm trying to sew the Velcro. I realized that the wig cap, the pantyhose was looking too large. So what I will do is when I wear it, I will just fold it so it will give me the shape that I want. So when I want to sew the wig cap, what I do is I'll fold the back of the wig cap. When I want to sew the band at the back, when I want to sew the Velcro to the band at the back, I'll fold it into 2 so that I'll sew the Velcro to it. So even when I fold the front or sew the front again, it's still going to give me the same look. I don't know if you understand. So this is the Velcro. So what I did was to measure the Velcro at the back of the band. Then I now cut I didn't just cut, I just measured the length of the width and the length, how I want it to be at the back of. You can see how I'm doing it. Then I now cut it off. So what you do is use your needle and try to sew it to the band, the band that you've attached to the wigging cap. So this is basically what I'm doing. This is the most important part of this tutorial, because if you don't get this step, you are not going to get the headband wig at the end of the whole process. So this is how I'm doing it, just sewing the velcro to the wig band that I've already attached to the wig cap. You can see it. You can use, I've said before, you can use headband, cut it into two and attach it to your net. So I'm done sewing now. This is what the thing looks like. This is what it looks like after sewing, and this is what the wig will look like after, when I wear it on my head. So I use my pin to pin it down, so I'll be able to get accurate measurement after seamless finish when I finish. So now we'll be attaching the attachment to the wigging cap. We'll be crocheting the attachment to the wigging cap, just the way I'm doing it now. You guys already know how to do this part, so I'm going to like fast forward it so that the video doesn't come out too long. So this is how I attach the attachment using the crochet. You can see to see it more, just like that. You can see it how it's coming out. So after this now, you can see it's very easy and simple to attach. So our wig is almost ready. It's almost ready, almost ready, almost ready. So this is how it is going. We are almost done. So we are done crocheting now. I never took light. I had to come outside because this is Nigeria. You can't trust NEPA. So this is what the spacing in between each crochet looks like. So after that, you have to run your brush through it, comb it well so that you don't have knots on the hair. If not, the hair will tangle. You know, this is synthetic hair, so you need to handle it with care. So after that, we'll be using a straw to coil the hair to get that natural kinky look that way. You know, this is a kinky headband wig this is a kinky headband wig. So what you do is you place your straw, you comb back. You have to do this part in small sections, so you get a small coils. When I started out, I started with big size, but along the line I reduced the size of the attachment I'm coiling per straw. So you have to like do it the way we do our coiling, place the straw. But this one now, you're starting from the end of the straw. You understand? As in, you're placing the straw at the roots of the hair. You place it, you know, the other one will start from the middle. This one, you place the straw at the root of the hair. You start coiling from the roots of the hair. That's where the hair has been crocheted to the wig cap. So when you place the straw at the root, then you coil it like maybe a few times. You bend the straw and use your bobby pin to secure that part. So what I noticed was, when I was doing this stuff, after coiling it and when I leave it, after a while the thing will lose out. So I will advise you to, like, when you secure the end with a bobby pin, when you get to the other end again, you still secure it with another bobby pin. But me, I ended up using rubber band, some part rubber band, some part bobby pin to like do it. You can see how I'm coiling it. It's not, you can see how I'm coiling it. It's not difficult to understand. So brush the hair through before placing the straw. Comb out the hair so to avoid any knot. Then you place the straw at the root, coil few steps, pin down with your bobby pin, and coil down again and pin down with a bobby pin or a rubber band. So it depends on what you have at home. Me, I use both rubber band and bobby pin to secure the hair so it doesn't lose, because I don't know why, but it was just losing after finish. When I at a point I got frustrated, but I kept trying until I found out the way to like do it and make it work. So that's why I'm sharing the tips, so that you don't have to go through the stress that I went through while coiling the hair. So this is the hair after we finished coiling, as in using the straw. This is the whole of the hair. So what you do now is trim the hair and put it in a hot water. Remember to add the conditioner in the hot water so that it will help to moisturize the hair. This is the hair after we finished soaking it in the hot water. Use your spray and run through it again to give it that glossy finish, and put it on your mannequin to dry. This is the next day, because I did it in the night. So this is the next day after the hair was already dry. So let's unravel the coils to see what we achieved at the end of the whole thing. So I'm just going to unravel the coil now. You can unravel it. It doesn't have any particular order of unraveling. Just try different techniques and whichever one that works for you, but you have to do it slowly so you don't make the hair to become scrunchy at the end of the whole thing. So this is what the hair looks like. So now we are going to be unraveling the coils now. Just the way you crocheted it, you'll be bringing it, separating it one after the other, you know, just the way the hair was crocheted, one after the other, and to give you that coily kinky finish that we are looking for. So this is the whole of the coils and the hair is ready. So what you do now is just like trim the hair. Can spray, add more spray if you want. Just trim the hair or give it the shape that you want the hair to be. So this is the finished look. So I'm not really going to be styling the hair that much. Just want to brush my edges to give it that a little sleek. You guys know I'm not a gel person, so but just brush the edge, so I will give it that a little sleek to show you. But you can style this hair. There are so many ways you can style this headband wig. You can do a little pushback gel and then do the hair, just be like half hair or something like that. There are so many styles for headband wig. So but this is what I prefer to do. So after this step, you can see what the hair looks like, the outcome of the hair. So we'll be placing our band. Left for me, I'll carry it this way because it's even fine, but we'll be placing a band on it to make it look more classy. You know, that baby girl kind of life vibe. So that's what we are doing. So that's all. That is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't tell me you did not enjoy this video, because me, I enjoyed making this wig. You know, it was fun, you understand. I never knew I could do it, but yeah, I did it. So you too, you can do it. So this is the almighty headband wig that is trending. I have created my own out of expression, out of kanekalon hair. You too can do yours. If you cannot afford the one they are selling online, you can do this and still slay. Can you tell the difference between this and the one that they sell online? No, it is soft, lightweight. It is the same kinky, so why waste money? So I got to go. You need to slay this Christmas, and make sure you slay this wig in a very beautiful way for me. So thank you. I will see you in my next one.